Platinum Electric had the privilege of providing an automatic standby power solution to a dental clinic in Burlington, Ontario. The clinic was located in a commercial building, and there were not many options for the generator to be placed, so we utilized the rooftop space. In doing so, our team of electricians and gas fitters utilized the crane and raised the unit onto the rooftop. The unit was placed on a steel base that we fabricated here at our shop. The purpose of the base is to create a bigger footprint and spread the weight of the generator over a larger section of the roof. In addition, we integrated spring isolators on the base to reduce vibration and provide a more stable mount for the generator. The Generac generator we went with was a 48 kilowatt, 122 volt, 3-phase natural gas liquid-cooled generator. We chose the Generac unit for its dependability and reliability. If you have any commercial or residential automatic standby power needs, please reach out to us, 1-844-4GenPro or www.generatorexperts.ca.